If you're having trouble receiving the verification code for Eyecon, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Double-check that you entered the correct phone number when registering with Eyecon. If the number is incorrect, you won't receive the verification code. Some apps provide an option to resend the verification code. Look for a Resend Code or similar option within the Eyecon app and try it. Sometimes, verification codes may be filtered into your spam or junk folder in your messaging app. Check these folders to see if the code is there. In some cases, there might be a delay in receiving the verification code. Wait for a few minutes, and then try requesting the code again. If you've tried the above steps and still haven't received the code, reach out to Eyecon support for assistance. They may be able to help you troubleshoot the issue or provide alternative verification methods. Make sure you have the latest version of the Eyecon app installed. Developers often release updates to address bugs and improve performance. Ensure that you entered your phone number in the correct format, including the country code. Eyecon may require a specific format for phone numbers. Check your phone settings to make sure that there are no restrictions on receiving SMS messages or that the Eyecon app has the necessary permissions.